Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to insert bibliography in MS Word. This bibliography option we can get in a citation and bibliography group of reference tab. And this bibliography is used to write a list of sources and works cited sections from which sources that author has collected information to write the book. And here always this bibliography should be inserted at the end of the document. Now one document I have taken here. In this document I am going to insert bibliography, and I am going to keep cursor at the end of the document. Now if you want to enter any information about a sources, then you need to click on insert citation here. First option we can see add new sources. You need to click on add new sources to enter the information about sources. And here in this create source window, first option you can see type of sources. In this some different type of sources we can see here. First one is what? Book section, journal, article, reports. Some different options are there here. Which related information you are going to insert in a create source, that option, that source you need to select here. Now I am going to select a book, and whenever you select a type of source, the type of source related information will be options will be displayed here. In this text box you need to write information about that contents. And here I am going to select a book here. Book related options will be displayed here. Here you need to write a author of that book. Now I am going to write author of that book and title of that. Next year on each year that book has been published, that you need to write, and place of that author. Bangalore taking, and here you need to select publisher of that book and click on OK to insert. And here name of that author and on which year that book has been published, the detail will be displayed here. Now I am going to delete this source. Okay, and here whatever sources you have inserted, that all sources will be listed here. And here if you wanted to insert any previous sources, then you need to click on manage sources, and here two options we can see. First one is master list and next one is current list. In a current list, whatever sources I have inserted in this document, that sources will be displayed here. These are the previous list in a whatever sources you have inserted in a previous document, that will be displayed here. And if you want to insert any sources from this master list, you can select any sources and you can click on copy to current list. Here it will be inserted. And if you want to delete any sources, then you need to select that source and click on delete to delete. And if you want to insert any sources in a current list, then you need to select current list and then click on new, and here again create source window will be displayed, and you need to select a source type here, and here you need to enter the detail of that source. Here I am going to write publisher. Here I am going to write a city. Here I am going to write the report type. Click on OK to insert. See here that source which I had inserted now, that will be inserted in a current list. And if you want to edit any sources, then you need to select that particular source and then click on edit. Then again the edit source window will be displayed here, and here you need to enter the source. Click on OK to insert. Say yes to edit. And here you can sort the source by author, tag, title and year, and here you can search a particular author source details here. And next I am keeping cursor at end of my document and click on bibliography. Here three options we can see: bibliography, references, works cited. Which type of source you are inserting, you need to select that source and click on insert to insert. here you can see that bibliography has been inserted. And if you want to edit any source after inserting, click on manage source, and here you need to edit the source. Click on OK. Yes, say yes. Close the window, and here one option we can see, update citation and bibliography, and then click on this update option. Automatically that source list will be updated. And if you want to apply any style for that sources, here different style of sources you can see, any style you can select and apply for your bibliography. If you want to delete inserted bibliography, then you need to select whole bibliography, then press Ctrl X to delete bibliography. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all might have understood how to insert and how to delete bibliography. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.